Hey everybody, it's Eddie over here from Indian Head Chrysler. So, exciting day every time that we get vehicles in. The last 2 days we've received 14 brand new vehicles on our lot. Everything from the brand new redesigned Grand Cherokee to our Ram 1500 trucks. DT, so that's the new body style, and the classics have great savings on right now. Something like this billet silver sport that just rolled onto our lot, you can get up to $7,500 off the window sticker, full discount for anybody who's got the pull ahead. There's extra cash that gets thrown into the deal, so lots of savings that way. If you're looking at a classic, we've got tons of classics. Those are actually 15% off right now. So if you're looking for a Warlock, if you're looking for a Classic Express, 15% off on sale. Those are the clearance prices for the remainder of the month. So if you've been looking for a truck, this is a great time to get it. If you're looking for heavy duties, great time as well, because we have 4 on the lot right now. All you got to do is call, let us know what you're looking for, and we'll be able to match you up with the truck. Ecodiesels, very last year that you can buy a Ram 1500 ecodiesel. So for all you ecodiesel lovers out there, that's all you want to drive, this is the best time to get into them, because after they're gone, they're gone. So give us a shout, let us know what you're looking for, whether you're looking for a truck, SUV. We got some brand new Pacificas that just arrived as well. We have almost 20 vehicles that we've gotten in the last 2 weeks. 20 brand new vehicles that are on our lots. They just hit the lots. We've got lots of inventory. Give us a shout, let us know what you're looking for. We'll be able to help you out. Number here, 306-695-2254. Check us out online at ihchrysler.ca.